Hey, hello, good morning. Day 73 is here with us. I was actually, yesterday I confused and said day 71 instead of day 72. Yesterday was day 72, and that makes today day 73. And this windshield foam, is fighting for its life because it's entirely torn. You can see. I'll have to buy a new one. But in the meantime, this will work. This rooster, every time I start talking, it starts making noise. So it's currently 10:24 and the sun is out, thank God. 10:24 in the AM. I just got out of bed. I woke up quite early and I had a crampful night. My menses are here, therefore yesterday I was cramping. I was also a bit sick yesterday because of the flu. Not very sick, but I could feel I'm not my normal self. But I thank God because it's not that bad. However, I'm coughing a bit and my nostrils get blocked a bit. I mean, like, I'm not my normal self, but I'm going to be okay. So, yesterday nothing much happened. As you saw, I made chapatis, crispy chapatis, because, one, I started cramping and therefore it slowed me down. It made me get uninterested in making the chapatis. I had started well, but now as I was winding up, I was just like so over it. However, we ate them because we had no choice. They were yummy. And so, yeah, nothing much really happened yesterday. I was just chilling, cramping, nursing the flu, resting. When you have a flu or a respiratory infection, may it be viral or bacterial, you need to take a lot of fluids and also rest. Rest is advocated for. So I rested yesterday, and yeah. So today, day 73. Probably continue resting as the cramps subside. And nothing much really. Just here to clock in and stay locked in focus even while I'm resting. I didn't even manage to read the book yesterday. I slowed down so much yesterday, but it's okay. It's normal. It's the perks of being a lady, a girl. A female, yeah, and I'm grateful for that because that's our superpower. We're different that way, and I like it. So I'm just here to let you know. Actually, today is a Saturday, and a Saturday weekend. To wish you a restful weekend ahead. May you rest. May you spend time with your loved ones. May you enjoy your hike. May you enjoy cooking for your family. All those good things. May you enjoy going out and having fun, bonding. Yeah. And we intentionally rest before the week begins tomorrow and officially on Monday. So have you all a beautiful weekend ahead. Please also consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. Today, let's comment the flag of Nigeria. I'll put it over here. At least I know how the flag of Nigeria looks like. Yeah, so let's comment the flag of Nigeria down below. And yeah, I'll catch you back here. Today I'll read the book. I don't know if I should read it right now. I miss reading that book. So yeah, nothing much really to say. Yeah, I'll meet you back here in the evening. I hope I'll clock out today. I haven't been clocking out, but I thank God I've been clocking in. I've been vlogging my days here and there, bits and bobs. And yeah, thank God. I really do thank God, and I pray that the court case dissolves because this thing is just draining me and draining my family emotionally because we just keep thinking about it. Yeah. Yeah, let's just be good people. Let's be good people. Yeah. Till then, please enjoy your weekend. Have yourselves a restful weekend, and may God's favor be with you.